OTTO designs and manufactures a full line of switches, grips, joysticks, and operator controls for demanding applications. OTTO's new HJMG3 is a top-mount JHM medium Hall effect joystick with a variety of grip, faceplate, output, and gating options. Grip choices include small G3 universal, medium G3 universal, universal contour, and the G3D contour grips, totaling 30 faceplate design choices. Analog and digital control output, CAN open, CAN bus, J1939, PWM, USB, and redundant sensor output selections are available. Gating options include single-axis, dual-axis, friction Y-axis, and various omnidirectional selections that offer round, smooth feel, on-axis and off-axis guided feel, and square on-axis guided feel. The HJMG3 can be configured for top-of-the-line machines, requiring high switch content, or to provide very basic functionality with lower-tier units. Key features of the HJMG3 include designed for armrest and/or panel mounting, contactless Hall effect technology, multiple output options, both analog and digital. Electronics are sealed to IP68S. Redundant sensors are available. Variety of gating options. RoHS compliant. The HJMG3 serves agriculture, construction, off-highway, material handling, and specialized industrial equipment markets. Contact OTTO at info@ottoexcellence.com for more information.